Hindi natuloy kahapon ang proklamasyon ng mga nanalong senador at party list sa eleksyon 2019. Pero matutuloy na raw ito bukas ayon sa COMELEC. Pinaghahandaan din daw nila ang posibleng pagdalo ni Pangulong Duterte. May report si Tina Panganiban Perez.
I think at this point, it's a pretty sure bet that we're going to have a proclamation tomorrow.
Naghahanda ng National Board of Canvassers para sa posibleng proklamasyon bukas ng mga nanalong senador at party list. Sa ngayon, sa partial at official na bilang ng NBOC, nangunguna pa rin si Cynthia Villar. Sinusundan siya ni Grace Poe, Bongo, Pia Cayetano, Bato de la Rosa, Sonny Angara, Lito Lapid, Amy Marcos, Francis Tolentino, Coco Pimentel, Bong Revilla, at Nancy Binay, pang 13 si JV Ejercito, 14 si Bam Aquino at 15 si Jinggoy Estrada, kasama sa pinaghahandaan ng posibleng pagdalo ni Pangulong Duterte.
We don't know for sure, but because he did come to the filing of the COC, that is something that we're preparing for as well. No? So naghahanda tayo, and which means also we're not just preparing for his arrival security-wise, but we're also preparing a space for him and his entourage on the floor for tomorrow.
Sa party list naman, 61 upuan ang nakalaan sa Kamara. Kung anong mga party list ang pupuno rito, malalaman base sa mathematical formula na itinakda ng Korte Suprema.
The first round of allocations will go to those who make 2% or better, 2% of the votes garnered for party list. 2% and better will get one guaranteed seat. Those who already got guaranteed seats will then get additional seats, either 2 additional seats or 1, because there's a seat cap of 3. So the guaranteed seats will get additional seats, then the rest of the seats will then be apportioned to the remaining party list organizations in descending order.
Kung matatapos ang canvassing ng National Board of Canvassers ngayong araw, inabot lang sila ng 7 araw. Mas maigsi ito sa 8 araw noong eleksyon 2016 at 10 araw noong eleksyon 2013.
It may just be one day, but considering all of the trouble that attended these elections, the fact that we're having it this early is also a good thing.
Nilinaw naman ni COMELEC spokes James Jimenez na hindi nagmamadali ang National Board of Canvassers sa pagproklama ng mga nanalong senador at party list kontra sa akusasyon ng ilang party list group. Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA News.